At Property Maintenance North, teamwork is our foundation. Every role is vital, and how we treat each other shapes our success. Respect is as important as the work we perform. Our company culture values respect and collaboration. Research shows that respectful workplaces increase employee engagement by 50%, Gallup. Toxic behavior undermines this and is never tolerated here. Every employee must treat coworkers, supervisors, and clients with respect. Professional communication, even under stress, maintains trust and safety on site. Following the chain of command preserves order and clarity. Our team structure assigns roles clearly. Supervisors provide direction to ensure efficiency and safety. Disrespect or undermining others disrupts teamwork and will be addressed. Examples of unacceptable behavior include talking down to coworkers or using disrespectful tones. Such actions create negative environments and affect morale. These behaviors are outlined in our Employee Handbook and policies. Failure to meet conduct expectations can lead to disciplinary action. This includes warnings, suspension, or termination depending on severity. Accountability supports a safe and respectful workplace for all. Employees accept job requirements including outdoor work and long shifts. Proper attire for weather conditions is essential for safety and comfort. Preparation is part of professional responsibility. Multiple Toolbox talks have been provided on shift preparation and dress code. These reminders help maintain safety and efficiency. It is each employee's responsibility to come prepared. If you are unsure about your role or expectations, speak with management. Open communication prevents misunderstandings and supports success. Management is here to help before your shift begins. Our team succeeds through mutual respect and cooperation. Respect ensures smooth operations, and everyone returns home safely each day. Together, we build a positive and productive workplace.